Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to invite Collaborator in Airbnb application on Android device. Well, when planning a trip with a friends, family or colleague, you can invite collaborators to your wishlist to gather input and preferences from multiple people. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open the Airbnb application. Okay, so in this page, click Wishlist tab at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and here you can select the wishlist you want to share with others. Okay, so now tap on share icon at the top right corner. And then select the Collaborate option. Okay, and then you can copy the URL. And you can directly share it to your WhatsApp account here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to invite Collaborator in Airbnb application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.